Let me paint the scene. You see a keyboard you can wear like a guitar, lights flashing, crowd going wild, and you think, whoa, that looks fun. That is the magic of keytars. So, if you ever wondered which ones stand out the most, this video is all about the best keytars. Some are friendly for smaller budgets, some sit in the middle, and some are premium picks with more features. Each one fits a different style, so it makes sense to watch the full video to figure out which one matches your needs. All the product links are sitting right down in the description. If you enjoy this kind of content, feel free to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you stay in the loop. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I enjoy reading those. Let's get into the reviews. Number 4. Bontempi Key Rhythm. Number 4 comes across like something you would hand to a younger student who wants to try music in a fun way. It has 37 dynamic keys, so there is enough room for little melodies and simple chords. The first thing that stands out is how tiny it is. The whole body is just under 2 inches tall in every direction, and it weighs about 1.69 pounds. I have held sandwiches bigger than that, so spinning around or moving across a small stage would be easy. A strap is included for wearing it, and the rechargeable battery keeps things neat without cords dragging around. For quiet practice, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB connection works with programs like Ableton Live, Logic Pro, FL Studio, or Pro Tools. That makes it handy for learning how recording software works. Most of the sounds feel playful, with a few choices for different styles. Some adults in the reviews said it felt more like a kid's version, and one person returned it because they wanted more features. But others liked it as a way to spark interest in piano lessons, so it seems geared toward beginners. Since this one sits in the budget range, it makes sense for someone young, or someone trying this kind of instrument for the first time. It is tiny, light, and easy to carry, and that might be the biggest reason it earned a spot on this list. Number 3. Yamaha Sonogenic SHS 500. Number 3 is the one that feels like a real jump from a toy into something more serious, especially for someone learning. It still has 37 keys, but these carry more of a synthesizer feel. The long shape makes it look closer to a guitar than a tiny keyboard, and it stays super light at just about 1 pound. That is lighter than most tablets, so carrying it across a room or stuffing it in a backpack would be easy. There are plenty of buttons and sliders, like pitch bend, octave change, sustain, and a modulation wheel. Anyone who likes experimenting with sounds will probably have fun here. There are around 30 voices, including pianos, electric pianos, and synths. Some people in reviews thought a few of the tones felt a bit tinny until they played the reverb or chorus, but once they adjusted things, the sound got better. Bluetooth MIDI, USB connection, a headphone jack, a line out, and even an aux input for music players give it a lot of flexibility. Jam mode might be the feature that gets the most smiles. You can press keys without worrying about hitting wrong notes, and the instrument handles that part. It can connect to the Yamaha Chord Tracker app, and that makes it feel very friendly for beginners. The speaker built inside is pretty quiet, so it may need an amp if someone wants to play for others. Still, with its mid-range price and tons of features, it can work for learning, recording, and even small jam sessions with friends. Number 2. Alesis Vortex Wireless 2. This one feels like it was made for someone who wants to move around a stage without being stuck near a laptop or keyboard stand. It has 37 velocity-sensitive keys, and they react to how hard you press, so notes can feel softer or stronger. There is aftertouch too, which gives even more control. Since it works as a wireless MIDI controller, you can walk around and still play through music software on a computer with the little USB receiver. There are bright trigger pads along the body for beats and samples, plus faders for volume or other settings. A pressure strip, a pitch wheel, and a thumb slider sit on the neck, which gives lots of room for expression. There is even a tilt sensor that changes sound direction when the body is lifted. It runs on 4 AA batteries, or USB power, and weighs around 6.5 pounds. Wireless range gets good feedback, and people say the battery life holds up for long sessions. Some folks mention that the pads take a bit more pressure than expected, and since it has just 37 keys, octave buttons get some extra workout. A few reviews said there could be small wireless interference in crowded rooms. The software bundle is huge, with programs for beats, synths, and recording. That adds value, especially at a mid-range price. With all that expression control and wireless freedom, it earns the second spot with ease. Number 1. Roland AX Edge. This one feels like the kind of instrument you'd see under bright stage lights, meant for someone who wants a professional setup. It has 49 full-sized keys with velocity and aftertouch, so there is more room for two-handed play compared to the smaller models. That longer body gives it a bold look, and the removable edge plates let you change the style. Some people switch colors to match outfits or stage sets, which is pretty fun. There are hundreds of built-in sounds, including leads, basses, and even a vocoder you can layer over the keys. With so many buttons, sliders, and effects built in, it can feel like a full synth you can wear. 2 displays give easy access to settings without having to bend down or stare at a laptop. Bluetooth MIDI works for wireless control, and USB connects it straight to a computer. It can run on 8 rechargeable AA batteries for about 4 hours, or it can plug into a wall adapter. This machine weighs close to 18 pounds, so holding it for a long concert might feel like carrying a big backpack. Some people mentioned that the battery swaps get a little tiring, and a few folks said the modulation bar felt tricky to replace if it broke. But the sound quality, customization, and professional feel are the reasons it sits in the premium spot. For someone who wants a stage-ready keytar with tons of expression and high-quality tones, this one takes the top position. So that wraps things up. Keytars can be tiny and playful, or packed with features and ready for a big stage. If any of these caught your eye, the links are sitting in the description. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and drop a comment if you have questions or want to share your own stories. And if you want more videos like this, check out the other ones on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.